Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Rough one on this one today. Yesterday actually showed a little bit of strength to the upside. However, everything just totally rolled back over. But now from a trading perspective going into next week, definitely a very interesting setup and potential scenario taking place. And that scenario, setup, whatever you want to call it, revolves all around this bottom down here at $8.15. Now, why is $8.15 so important? Well, the last time the price got down around this area, you can see that it produced a very, very quality bounce to the upside. And now the price is very close within striking distance. Now, don't get me wrong, though, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because last time the price produced a nice bounce does not mean that if the price goes down here, then it is for sure going to bounce once again. If only that were that easy. My point is, it's at least a valid and a rational thought to have. Case in point, let's say that the price has never bounced off of 8.15, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like the price could bounce off 8.15. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? It's never bounced off that level before. What would make you think that it's going to bounce? But in this situation, it actually has. And again, does that mean it's guaranteed to happen? No. Does that mean it's a valid and rational thought to have? Absolutely. And this is also, an area where, and I don't want any of this to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part and nobody else has discovered this. No, I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts have noticed the same exact thing and are wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have with this 8.15 mark. Pretty much from the technical pattern point of view, it's, is some sort of double bottom going to happen where it's already bounced once, comes back down here and bounces again. So double bottom pattern, that is definitely the interesting and potential setup going forward. If there is any sort of bounce, then watch that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $8.60. But before you focus on doing in battle with any resistance levels, the first key step is just, can the price stabilize and get the bounce from this area? Let's see what happens. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident you would find this live web class that I've put together beneficial. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, just go to claytrader.com/live or see the link in the description area below. It truly is live. There's a question and answers at the end. It's very interactive. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.